What's going on, everybody? Sean's Quality Services back with another video, and today is going to be a familiar one. A few videos ago I made this right here, and light that screws in right here, you know, so pretty much that light I don't use no more. And the new light that I have actually has a bottom like this, so I use this portion right here for my microphone. My microphone is right here. I just pretty much have that just dangling right now. But this part right here is used for the mic, and I'm gonna make a spot right here for the new light that I have, so I don't have to just use my light like this, because honestly that don't work that good, trust me. So let me show y'all how I do this, or how I'm going to create this more so, because the design already exists. All I have to do is just take this one and move it over here, and you know, it's just more so copying and replace. All right, so this right here is going to be a familiar video. So all I'm pretty much going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to tinker this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup these two right here. Ungroup. I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to copy it. It's this easy. And I'm going to take this. I need to ungroup it again. Alright. Take this. Okay, come in. Looks like I need to ungroup it again. Okay, now I got it. Alright, so I'll take this part. I'm going to take that out too. I'm going to turn it around 90 degrees, go up with it, and mount it. Take this one and 90 degree that, come back with it, and voila. Now I want to put this like right there. All right, cool. And just like that. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. So let me go ahead and print this out. I'm going to export. Send it to my printer. I'm going to go here, go to camera mount, right here, and voila, it has been duplicated, and I'm going to print. Actually, let me slice the plate. Alright, I remember this. I trust it. So let me go ahead and print it. It's going to take 34 minutes. So supports look really good. Did it in gold this time. Yup. Pretty much is doing the finishing touches. Looks good. And it's all finished. Yes, sir. This one is gold. Alright, so there we have it. I have the pieces created. It came out good. You know, I don't have to have separate mounts or separate tripods for the lighting. I can actually have the light attached to the camera. I couldn't be more satisfied. Now this was a quick and easy project because it has already been created by me. So I was able to just pretty much copy what I've already created and replace it somewhere else, and I couldn't be more happy. Thank you for watching and have a good day.